Alright, hit the like and subscribe button if this video helps you out. I ordered some new security signs for our ring security system. I got them from Amazon for 15 bucks each. I'm going to open one up and show you how they assemble them and see what the quality is like, and then I'm going to plant them at the house. Alright, I'm back. Here's my ring sign. I'm going to open it up right here and assemble it. Some directions. Of course, we don't need directions. This is sign. Part 1. Part 2. Part 3. Part 4. So I'm going to put the bottom on. You got to push these clips in. That slides in and locks in. This is the other one. Same dealio-yo. Locks in. And then the actual sign is right here. We go. It's very easy to assemble. It's aluminum, which is good. This looks like it's reflective on the front, plastic with rivets holding it on. Got some details on the back. So let's go out front and put it in the yard. Dum-de-dum-de-dum-de-dum. Nice day. It was 70 yesterday. Today it's like 50. I'm gonna put this bad boy right here, which is where my old one was at. There you go. And there's all the noise of the neighborhood. The Ford Fleet, Maverick, Escape, F-150. You'll see some of those videos on my channel. Hit the like and subscribe button if this video helped you out. 15 bucks a piece on Amazon for some security signs for my ring security system.